Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you all, and this one is for a food item. This one is from the guys at SUCHIS Spices. They sent me this box of spices and it contains 4 types of spices. We have the Big Texas, the Exotic Island, the Cajun Soul, and the Sweet, Spicy, and Smoky. So 4 spice rubs. So let's open the box and let's see what it looks like. And it says on the box, sign up for product warranty and for free products using this code. So you have to scan this QR code to get those free items or free products. Oh, it comes in little containers. So it comes in 4 plastic containers. So let me just show you when you open the box. This is what it looks like. And we have the Cajun Soul Spice Rub, and they are all 200 grams, and it's gluten-free, non-GMO, 100% vegan, and no preservatives. It is made in India and it does have an expiration date, and this expires in December 2020. So you have 1 entire year to use your spices. This is really cool. I feel like I could smell it already. So let me just open. It's packed to the rim, guys. Like literally packed to the rim with spices. Yeah, that's exactly what I was smelling. I'm smelling that Cajun seasoning. This would be great for a seafood boil, guys. And there are salt flakes in here, so when you're using these you would want to adjust salt after, or you can probably just lightly season. So next, let's look at the Big Texas Spice Rub. Smells really good, and as you can see, it's sealed properly. This one is not packed all the way up like that one, but it's still packed in really good. I can smell that paprika and I can smell that chili in there. I also smell a hint of cumin. This smells really good. This is gonna be so good on baby back ribs. The next one is the Exotic Island Spice Rub. Okay, seriously, it does smell different and it does smell exotic. And you know what it smells like to me? If you've ever had green Thai curry, that is what it has a hint of. I'm getting that hint of that green Thai curry. This is gonna be so good, guys. This would be so good on some shrimp or chicken skewers. Amazing. And the last one is a Sweet, Spicy, and Smoky Rub. Oh yeah. Each spice or each rub smells totally different, and I'm sure it's gonna taste totally different. This one smells very smoky. It smells perfect for some ribs also. And knowing me, what I would do is I would probably mix like the Big Texas Spice Rub with some of this. Just mix and match it. Tailor it to what you would like. This smells really good, guys. So guys, this is such an amazing line, and it's all sold here in the United States. So if you all are interested, remember, as I said, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, 100% vegan, and no preservatives, and expires in 1 year. So I am going to test out these, not today in this video, but I will be testing out these spices in some upcoming videos for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I want to taste test them and I want to tell you guys what I think about them. So stay tuned to my channel for that. So if you guys are interested in purchasing or supporting this American company, I will leave the information to purchase this product down in the description box. Be sure to click that down arrow. The description box will open up. Click on the link for up-to-date pricing. Thank you guys so much, and I'm really excited about these RUBS, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.